So, can someone please just help me get the flip and jump pad? Oh, sorry about that. The server just restarted. Sorry about that. Okay, wait a second. Just wait. Bro, I'm lagging. Oh, sorry about that. I'm sick, by the way. So, about the jump. Can someone can teach me how to get the jump pad, please? Pretty please. Please, just please. See you tomorrow. And bye. By the way, this is my loadout. So bye. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Bye bye.